Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. I want to tell you how I have made $1,750 in 1 week. Very exciting. Some people don't make that in a month, and it's very exciting. I get to share how I do that, and you definitely want to ask me how, right? How did I do that? How did I make $1,750 in just 1 week with the successful solution method? Now that is what I'm going to talk to you about, exactly what I do to make this kind of money, and it continues to get better and better as time goes on. I've made money ever since I started in June, and it just keeps going up. Now this last week I made, as I said, $1,750, which is amazing, right? It is just incredible. And here are the things I do to make this money, so you can understand that it isn't tough, right? It takes it's simple, really. It is a simple way to make money online, and Successful Solution Method has this really honed in really well for anybody to make money online, because they've put a simple system together that includes every piece of the puzzle to be successful online. And so the first thing that I did was I was consistent. I was consistent in what I was learning in the training. I only spent like a couple hours a day, Monday through Friday, doing this, right? Couple hours a day, and I was consistent. And that is important. And I was committed. And when you start earning money at the very beginning, first week or two, right? And it starts coming in regularly, and you've got this income, then it's going up, and then now I made almost $2,000 in 1 week, and it continues to get better and better. It's a winner. It's totally a winner, because you do not have to have any skills whatsoever to do this, you know. And I was committed, I was consistent, and I had a powerful attitude because I knew I could do it. I knew that. And how do I know that? Because it's laid out in such a simple blueprint. You look at that and you say, well, I can do it. You really see the whole scope of what's involved with being able to do this online. And it works. It totally works, obviously, because, you know, I've done that. And I just have to share this with you because it is so incredible. Anybody can do it. You do the training and you apply it, and it works. It works very well. I started out, the first week I actually made $350. So I'd say that you earn right out the gate, pretty much, in a few weeks, and you keep earning. And it doesn't stop, because you're doing what you need to be doing. You're being consistent, you're committed, you have this attitude that you know you can make it. You're not a complainer, right? You know this is working because it is working for so many people. And we are just a group of people that are all making money that apply the training. That's really that simple. And if you do that, it works totally, because the pieces are put together in the entire system that gives you that ability to apply it, spend a couple hours a day, and you got it. It's working. And you know, how many would love to do that? How many would love to be able to do that and it be so simple? and you could have this income stream. I mean, the first time my light bulb went on when I had this income, of course, was the first time I got paid. And here I am doing this simple training, you know, very simple things that actually 7-figure income earners do because they're consistent and committed. And if you do those things and everything's plugged in, so you don't have to do the hard things, you don't have to set up the sales funnels or the email swipes or, you know, configure all the stuff that goes with running a business at home. You don't have to do any of that, see? And you don't even have to talk to people because our system does that too. It does sales for you as well. So, you know, those are really the biggest mistakes people make, is they don't know how to get traffic and they don't know how to sell people. And with this, you don't have to know any of that. You just do the habits. These income habits is what creates and produces your income, totally. And if you do that, then you've got an income stream. And who doesn't want an income stream? I mean, this is just an incredible. I've earned like almost $6,000 since I started with this company. Last week I earned $1,750, you know, and it just goes on and on. I had a $600 day, you know, a $750 day. It's just incredible, the money you can earn and the simplicity of the program and the incredible support. And when you have such support, it's so much easier to make money when you're doing it as a team, when you have support. Everybody's on track. Everybody's doing the same thing together. People are winning because of this. Totally. And I just had to share because it's so important that you have this kind of, you know, the owner, she is a 7-figure income earner now. She put this together during the pandemic because people were having, everything was upside down for people earning money from home or from, you know, work, because things were shutting down. It was going to be, it's so hard. And she sat home because she had no choice, right? And created this business model. Best business model I've seen in 30 years. Absolutely, hands down, the total best. And of course, technology is really incredible now, too. And so you put all that together and you learn how to be a 7-figure earner, but yet you earn money at the same time, which spurs you on to do better and better. And that's really important, that you do your best. You know, you put forward your best effort and you be consistent and you definitely commit and focus. And that's what I did. That's exactly what I did. That's why I made that money. I wasn't a complainer. I wasn't, you know, one of those people that, oh, I have a problem with everything. You follow, if you can follow instructions, which I did. There's my bird. Oh, wow, a woodpecker. Oh, my goodness. That's crazy. Beautiful, they are. Anyway, if you can put forth the being committed and focus, and I mean, it's really that simple. Have a good attitude. It makes a difference. It brings in an income stream, this program, because that's what it takes. That's how simple it is. And I'm just so thankful to be able to get started and be able to bring in this income stream. Actually, tomorrow I'm headed to Florida. I'm going to fly into Florida for a month because I can. I work at home. I'm an entrepreneur. I can work from Florida. I can work from anywhere. So I'm excited about being able to go to Florida, and I have an income stream, and it's worked out perfectly great. And the money keeps going up. I keep getting paid, and you can't beat that. Honestly, you cannot beat that at all. And I know people are looking for something they can do that they can do at home because things are up still, a problem. People are having a hard time getting back to work. Lots of business have shut down, a lot of stuff going on, and this is why our fearless leader created this business. And I'm so thankful, so very thankful for that, because now I can share that with people and you can really benefit. So huge. And I just happy to be able to be on here in my rainforest. So weird, I'm going from my rainforest to sunny Florida, so it'll be quite the change, but it'll be fun, and it'll be great to have sunshine and family and beaches and eating out and all the great things I'm going to be enjoying while I'm in Florida. Probably do a video tomorrow from my Facebook. So be sure and check out my Facebook too, so you can keep up with what I'm doing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss anything of this incredible journey I'm on right now. This second income stream that is just a huge blessing for me. Well, it's just a wonderful thing to share, to help others. I really believe that helping others is the best way to go, because that's really the secret to success, is helping others. And I just really am thankful that you have watched this video and that you on here, and I'm just gonna let you go because I gotta finish packing, get ready to go out in the morning. But I just thankful that I could share this with you. And so we'll see you. Subscribe to my channel and go to my website, check it out, so worth it. So bye from Alaska.